table is an associative array with the key and the pair, similar to the object in JavaScript. There are three different ways to add the pair to the table. Inside the curly braces with key and the pair, with the dot notation, and bracket notation, and they all do the same thing. For the dot notation, you cannot use a number, so for that you need to use the bracket notation. Remember that number 1 and the string 1 represents a different key, so different values are stored in each key. Also, when addressing the key with bracket notation, key with the code and key without the code mean a different thing. So this prints 30, without the code it prints nil. Without the code, it looks for the variable with the name age. So whatever is in that variable will be used as the key. So if I assign the string name to the variable age, it prints Uthman and not 30.